welcome back to Kelly's Creations. I've been seeing everybody do these spin blooms and it just looks like so much fun, so I think I've just really got to try it. So let me drop you down to the canvas here. We'll find out what colors we're going to use tonight and get you going. I've got Deco Arts Metallic Sapphire, Liquitex Basics Quinadrone Magenta, Liquitex Basics Phthalo Cyan Green. I hope I said that right. And Deco Art Metallics Berry. Okay, so let me get this set up here. I've also got a copper, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not. So let's go ahead here and get the bloom put on. It'd be a good idea if I probably put on a set of gloves, though, wouldn't it? My bloom pillow is just regular house paint, and that's just used to spread out the colors that you put on the top. So I think one of the reasons I want to try this is when I'm trying to do my stretching, I'm not always doing really well with keeping it centered and moving well. All right, so there's my pillow. Let's go ahead and take this and just get it out to the corners so that hopefully it will move a little better. All right, and move this over here. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the sapphire. Okay. The quinacridone magenta. One I can't pronounce, green. And the Deco Art berry. Okay. Move these out of the way here. I'm trying to make up my mind whether I want to use, I think I'm going to use my white cell activator. All right, let me get my dryer and we'll see how this works. All right, we'll give that just a few seconds to come back into the middle. Ooh, look at the cells coming out of there. I am liking this. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it stretches out. See the cells coming up in here already. And as this settles back down, while that's setting up, let me go ahead and get some of my paint moved out of the way. I tend to be a bit of a klutz, so getting things moved is always a really good idea. All right, so let's give her a spin and see what she does. Oh, yeah, I do like that. Let's see what happens if we take it the other way. think I might have used a little bit too much white, but that's okay. Let's see how she turns out. Sitting up there just a minute, just trying to see exactly what it's going to do. I think it's still got quite a bit of paint here, so let's take her around again. Okay, spread out some of that cell activator. Look at this. This is amazing. All right, take these off. We'll come down and take a look. Be right back. Okay, here we go. Look at the sparkle in it. All right, and I'll be sure to include a picture of what she looks like dry, or hopefully maybe next video it'll be ready, and next one or two, and we'll give you a shot. Have a great night. Please subscribe and hit that bell, and you'll know when I take any others. Bye-bye.